Previously, I have discussed about chapter 4, that is center of gravity and moment of inertia. So today I will discuss a new topic. This is about simple machine. So first you should understand what is simple machine. Simple machine is basically a device which reduces human effort. So you can do more amount of useful work by applying very little amount of effort. So this simple machine does. So I will write the definition of simple machine. So simple machine is a device which helps us to do some useful work or which helps us to overcome some resistance at some point by applying comparatively very less amount of effort at some other point. So I will tell the definition again. So simple machine is a device which helps us to do some useful work or which helps us to overcome some resistance at some point by applying comparatively very less amount of effort at some other point. So here I will tell you few examples of simple machine. This one is the lever. It is used to basically lift heavy amount of load. So this kind of a rod kind of structure which is supported with the help of fulcrum. This is a fulcrum. So this in this side we apply usually the effort. This side the length is more compared to this side. So when we apply load at this end, so it produces a moment. So it will produce the moment. So we know that this moment will be balanced by this moment. So clockwise moment will be balanced by anti-clockwise moment. So this side the length is more, so comparatively we need smaller amount of force effort. So this side the length is smaller, so as the length is smaller, this side more amount of load can be lifted. So this is one example of simple machine. Here we can apply very less amount of effort and we can lift comparatively more amount of load. And also there is another example of simple machine is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. So earlier days what people were doing, they were using animals to carry load from one place to another place, but this requires very large amount of effort. So this wheel and axle, they can reduce this effort, and with the help of this wheel and axle we can carry more amount of loads. You can see bicycle, even four-wheelers, even truck, even goods train, they are used to, with the help of wheel and axle we can travel, we can carry more amount of loads from one place to another. That is, we can lift more amount of loads. And another example of simple machine is an inclined plane. In case of an inclined plane, we can carry the load, we can lift the load easily by sliding over the inclined plane, as the gravitational force will be less compared to vertical axis. If we'll try to lift the load along the vertical axis, then the gravitational force will be act directly, but in this way the component of gravitational force will act, which will be obviously less than the gravitational force along the vertical direction. So in this way we can easily lift more amount of load by applying very less amount of effort. Similarly, there is another example of simple machine is screw jack. It is also used to lift heavy amount of load. In case of a car, while they try to change the tire of the car, they use mechanical jack. They lift the car with the help of jack and they change the tire. But without the jack, if they will try to lift the car, then it will require very large amount of force to lift the car. So in this way, with the help of mechanical jack, they can reduce the force required to lift the car. So these are few examples of simple machine. Another example is pulley. you have seen this pulley. I guess you have all have seen this pulley. This is used to basically lift heavy load. So this is the longer side. This side we apply effort. So we try to apply less amount of effort at this end, and at this other end we can lift heavy amount of load. So all these are examples of simple machines. By using these machines we can lift heavy amount of load by applying very less amount of effort. So I think you all are clear about simple machine.